ChatGPT can feel private. You type a question, it answers you directly, and before long you may be sharing far more than you intended. Recent privacy investigations and new research have raised concerns about how personal information can be collected, retained, or passed through any chatbot system. But the practical lesson is simple. Do not give any AI tool information that it does not need. Here are 7 things you should never share with ChatGPT or any AI tool, and what to do instead.
Number 1. Passwords, PINs and security codes. Never type a password, PIN or one-time security code into an AI chatbot. That includes banking codes, email verification codes, password reset links, and answers to security questions. No legitimate AI chatbot or AI assistant needs this information in order to help you. You can ask it, explain how I can reset my password safely, but never paste the real password or code into the conversation. Ask for instructions, not for access details. Number 2, bank and card details. Do not share your full card number, card security code, banking login, complete account details, photographs of bank cards, or unedited bank statements. You can still ask AI to help with a general budget. For example, my monthly income is approximately £2,000. Help me organise these spending categories. The AI needs the figures for the task. It does not need your name, bank account number, or transaction references. Number 3, identity documents and reference numbers. Avoid uploading complete copies of passports, driving licenses, birth certificates, national insurance details, NHS numbers, benefit reference numbers, or signatures. These documents often contain several identifying details in one place. If you want AI to explain a letter, remove anything that identifies you first. Replace it with simple labels. The AI normally does not need to know who you are to explain the wording of something. So far, the rule is straightforward. Ask for the help, remove the identity. But number 4 is where many people share more than they realise. Number 4, identifiable medical or care information. AI can help explain a medical term or prepare questions for an appointment. But avoid uploading a complete medical record, test result, prescription, care plan, or hospital letter with your personal details still visible. Remove your name, address, date of birth, hospital number, barcodes, and reference numbers. Then ask something general, such as, explain this medical phrase in everyday language and suggest questions I could ask my doctor. Number 5, confidential work information. Do not paste confidential work material into a personal AI account unless your employer has clearly authorised it. Removing a name may not be enough. A job title, location, date, and unusual incident can still identify someone. A personal AI account is not a work filing system. Number 6, other people's private information. Privacy does not only apply to you. Avoid sharing another person's private messages, address, health information, photographs, financial situation, personal documents, or relationship history. This is easy to overlook when you are trying to help a parent, partner, or family member. Instead of pasting someone's entire private conversation, describe the situation more generally. You can still get useful guidance without uploading another person's life if their information is not yours to share. Number 7, anything you would be devastated to see exposed. This final category is the broadest and possibly the most important. People now use chatbots as diaries, relationship advisors, emotional sounding boards, and places to disclose secrets. That can feel private, but an AI conversation does not have the same professional confidentiality as speaking to a doctor, solicitor, or regulated therapist. Before you press send, ask yourself, would this cause serious harm, embarrassment, or distress if somebody else saw it? Use a fictional example or keep it offline. The aim is not to avoid every personal subject, it is to share only what is necessary, minimum information, maximum control, why this matters now. In May 2026, Canadian privacy regulators published the results of an investigation into how OpenAI initially developed and deployed ChatGPT. They raised concerns about excessive collection of personal information, transparency, consent, inaccurate personal information, and users' ability to correct or delete it. Separate 2026 research examining 20 popular AI chatbots found that 17 shared some information with at least one third party. The services differed substantially, so this does not mean they all handle data in the same way. It does reinforce one practical rule, though. Do not treat every chatbot as a private filing cabinet. 3 ChatGPT settings to check. There are also 3 settings worth knowing about. First, data controls. Open settings, then data controls. You can switch off, improve the model for everyone. When this is off, future conversations can remain in your history, but they are not used to improve OpenAI's models. Second, temporary chat. Temporary chats do not appear in your history, do not create memories, and are not used for model training. They may still be retained temporarily for safety and abuse monitoring. Temporary chat is more private, but it is still not the place for passwords, banking details, or unredacted private records. Third, memory. You can review, delete, or switch off saved memories in settings. Turning memory off does not automatically delete your previous chats. The simple safety test. Before you paste anything into an AI chatbot, ask 3 questions. Does the AI actually need this detail? And if not, remove it. Could this identify me or another person? If yes, redact or generalize it. Could it cause harm if exposed or misunderstood? If yes, do not type it into an AI chatbot. The 7 things to keep out of ChatGPT are passwords and security codes, bank and card details, identity documents and reference numbers, identifiable medical or care information, confidential work information, other people's private information, and anything you would be devastated to see exposed. Remove the private detail, check the answer, keep control of the decision. I have created a free privacy checklist you can keep beside you whenever you use an AI tool. You will find it through the link below this video. Subscribe to Please Remain Human for calm, practical guidance on using AI safely and confidently. Use AI safely, stay in control.